Happy new beach adventure from Hökarängsbadet. Now don't let the sun fool you, as it has been cloudy almost all day long, but now suddenly the sun appeared from nowhere, and I'm not gonna be complaining about it because it was really needed, because today it is around 7 degrees Celsius colder than yesterday. Yes. Gesundheit, proceed. So yesterday it was the last hot day in Stockholm, maybe also in Sweden, with 23 degrees Celsius, and I went to the sea. Today you can see on this beach that usually has lots of people, there is nobody, and it is actually 4:30 p.m. So even if someone after school or after work can come here actually, but it's just me and the ducks. But I'm not gonna complain, because now it starts the season where the beach adventures, I can visit public beaches without any people on the beach, which is amazing. And my ghost, I mean my Scott bike, my ghost was actually stolen, the red one. So Scott is the third bike that I got. The other two were stolen, and got me here. It's not so far away, to be fair. It's only around 6 kilometers from my home, and I decided to not to go that far because I didn't know if it's going to be that cold. But here we are in Lake Dreviken, and it's going to be a nice swim. Short one, as I'm not really sure if I can manage to swim today half an hour. I will be probably going to my local swimming pool for that. So let's then get ready and measure the temperature also here before I go in. And I obviously gonna use the jetty despite being attacked by the bird shit. But it looks so nice even. Yeah, I thought it's gonna be a lot colder. 16 degrees it says, but I don't feel like it's 16. It's maybe because of the wind, it's not that heavy, but you can see bird shit here. But yeah, let's use the water thermometer to measure before we go in. I think it's going to be somewhere around 20 degrees Celsius in the water. I was actually on Lake Dreviken a few days ago on the nudist beach spot in the Flaten nature reserve actually. So yeah, so this is Hökarängsbadet. It's closer actually to Fondal than to Hökarängen, but it's called also Hökarängsbadet. And my thermometer was trying to get away, and I did. Yes, okay, I was correct to the point. 20 degrees Celsius in the lake, and that's pretty nice, I would say, for a short swim today and another beach adventure with Kris. And yeah, it's going to be, yeah, it's sad that the sun has come to an end, but we will be continuing with the beach adventures as scheduled. So I'm not sure how deep it is here, but I want to jump somehow. You know what? I'm going to do it because you only live once. Yes, it was more enough deep, more than enough deep actually, which is amazing. So just me on the whole beach and few people that are passing by, as they have been building a bit newer apartments in that direction. And I can see also the jetty that I have shown you like 2 months ago on my channel. So yeah, despite the weather, the beach adventures will continue. I assume it's gonna be a bit colder, but now with the sun it's actually a lot warmer, so I might stay also for a swim as well here in at Hökarängsbadet. But yeah, perfect afternoon swim in Lake Treviken. 20 degrees is quite warm indeed, so I'm not going to complain at all. So that is a wrap for today's beach adventure for Hökarängsbadet. Beach number 95, I think it is, on my Sweden beach adventures. We are closing 100 this week, as today is only Tuesday. So thank you so much for following my beach adventures, and there will be a lot more coming up, so stay tuned for more beach adventures on my channel, Beach Adventures with Kris.